Hi, my name is Katie Kern with Circa PR, a fashion PR firm in Charleston, South Carolina, and I'm going to show you how to make hats fit better. Hats come in many different shapes and sizes, and so do our heads. This is a tassel hat. Basically, to make this fit better on your head, no matter what size head you have, is to pull the cap all the way down so that you're not having any extra fabric at the top. So pull it all the way down. And to make sure that it's not covering your face and you're able to see and it's not smothering you, you pull the brim up as far as you can. So it gives you a nice fitted, secure hat. Another way so that you're going to make sure your hat fits well is this is a cap style hat. It's not made for everyone's head, but to make sure that it's secure on your head if you decide to wear it, is that you place it on your head, secure it, and make sure that it fits to your head. And then you're going to take a couple bobby pins and use the bobby pins to secure the hat. You'll take a bobby pin, secure it in the back, and then in another place so that you have that little extra security. That simple. Again, my name is Katie Kern with Circa PR, and I just showed you how to make hats fit better.